Ever wonder what happens when a global automotive giant like Toyota goes all in on electric, specifically for the world's most competitive EV market? What if I told you they're launching a new flagship EV, the BZ7, that's not just stunning, but packed with tech that might make your current ride feel like a relic? Get ready to rethink everything you thought you knew about Toyota EVs, because the BZ7 is here, and it's a game changer. But there's a twist you absolutely need to know. Prepare to have your perception of Toyota shattered. This isn't your grandma's Camry. The new Toyota BZ7, co-developed with GAC in China and set to commence production in 2025, is a sleek, futuristic sedan designed to turn heads. Its over 5-meter length puts it squarely in the premium executive segment, battling giants like the Tesla Model S and BYD Han. Just look at its smooth, coupe-like silhouette, the distinctive C-shaped LED headlights, and that full-width rear light bar. It's a statement piece. It's a bold departure, blending Toyota's renowned quality with cutting-edge Chinese design aesthetics. But the BZ7 isn't just about looks. It's a technological marvel. Inside, you're greeted by a truly premium cabin experience. We're talking white perforated leather, elegant wood trim, and sophisticated ambient lighting. The highlight? A massive floating infotainment display powered by Huawei's Harmony OS, a first for a Toyota joint venture car. Imagine seamless connectivity, an intuitive user interface, and intelligent features that elevate every drive. Plus, a roof-mounted LiDAR sensor hints at advanced driver assistance capabilities. This isn't just a car, it's a smart living space on wheels. While official powertrain details are still emerging, expect impressive performance. Rumors suggest BYD-sourced blade batteries, offering substantial range, likely exceeding the BZ3's 615 km CLTC range. This car is engineered to perform and compete in a market obsessed with range and rapid charging. The BZ7 is Toyota's strategic move to reclaim market share in China, a market that's leading the global EV revolution. It's a fusion of Toyota's legendary reliability and China's rapid technological advancements, demonstrating a truly localized, China-first approach. Now for the twist. Despite its groundbreaking features and striking design, the Toyota BZ7 is currently exclusive to the Chinese market. Yes, this innovative EV is tailored specifically for Chinese consumers, and there are currently no plans for it to reach other markets like the US or Europe. Is this a missed opportunity, or a smart strategy to dominate a key market? Let us know what you think in the comments. Hit that like button if you're as intrigued as we are, subscribe for more automotive insights, and share this video to get the conversation going.